This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below.
It is January 16th, 2020. This one here, I got a new customer call me. He wants me to do boiler maintenance on his oil-fired boiler. I guess I got referred from somebody to go do it. So he said it's not blowing black soot, so it's just going to be, an annual. I go there and, probably, we'll definitely change the nozzle and see how long it's been since it's been serviced, check the oil flow, see what the condition the filters are in, and see if it's got draft over the fire. If it's full of soot, they're gonna have no draft over the fire, obviously. That's why you see me checking the draft, see if it's full of soot. It's got good draft over the fire and it's got good oil flow. We change the nozzle and get it up and running. Usually it's good for another year. Usually. But there's no guarantees, there's no rhyme or reason to this stuff sometimes.
1 mile, turn right.
Some guys change the filters, the pump filter every time and charge the homeowner for that. I only charge him what I have to charge him for. I only charge him what he needs. I mean, that's how I do my work. We'll try to get you some shots. Second older gen, he'll probably be over there watching me, trying to get all my trade secrets. Yeah, I know he's going to try to get all my trade secrets. I know, yeah, he will. I know he will. Yeah, he's going to be getting all my trade secrets.
Du fortsätter hos my oil man, but he started getting too
yeah, well, you got a problem here, cause you can see it's all wet under here. You want to take a look? This is all wet. You want to take a look? Grab it with the light.
Yeah.
I can't touch anything until that tank's been replaced. Unless you want to call back the last guy that was here. You see it?
Wet, but it's been like that.
Alright guys, just left that job. I told that guy he can't touch his system unless he upgrades the oil tank. And we have to get down about half a tank and then it can be replaced. He could call the other guy that works on it all the time. He wants to work on it. I am not taking a chance. These old oil tanks and stuff, these people are going to need to upgrade them if they want me to work on their system, or it's going to be, the tank's not leaking, or that's different. But when it's got oil on the bottom like that, I'm not doing it. I'm going to be responsible for it. Last guy there. My insurance company got a hold of me and told me to be careful because what's going on with all the new insurance laws and stuff, they're going after the guys that were last there on the job. If the tanks are bad, they got to be replaced or you're taking a big risk. So, no thanks.